Hello everyone, I hope you are all having a great day. In today's fast paced digital landscape, businesses are constantly seeking innovative solutions to streamline their operations and enhance customer experiences. One such critical aspect is ensuring timely software renewals. Picture this, you have to manually email every single of your client to renew their subscription in many different periods of time. And this is a big hassle. Maybe you have 2000 customers. But fear not, because automation is here to revolutionize the way you manage these things. Our client also had a similar problem where on his Shopify, he was a seller to some applications which required timely renewals. Every day, he had to search for an application's expiration and email his customers to renew them. That's where automation comes in. Okay, so here we have this Google sheet where all the Shopify orders are. And here we are going to search all the Shopify orders which are placed under an year. So we have a filter here. All right. Now we are storing them inside a variable. So the total number of orders by a customer will be stored here. Okay. After that, we are in this variable, we are getting those bundles value. If the bundles value is more than 10, then we are directly renewing them. This is because of our client's specific requirement. What he does is when a customer is buying more than 10 of his softwares, we can say that they are also a seller. So we are directly giving them renewals without any email. All right. If the bundles are less than 10, what we are going to do is we are going to search the email. If the person has told us that you should not email me, then we have a sheet where their email will be present. And if their email is present, we are not going to disturb them and not going to send an email. Okay. Here we have a sheet which is called item master, where we have substitute products. Maybe our client has discontinued some products and maybe they have changed the item ID of that item in their Shopify. So we are going for that. Okay. After that, we have a filter here that checks if the expiration date is 30 days. Now, what we are doing is we are checking that if we have to send the substitute email or not. So if there will be a substitute email, what is going to happen is we are going to have total number of bundles is equal to is not equal to 0, and the substitute product ID will be existing. All right, now we are going to get the product and all its information, and after that what we are going to do is send them an email and update in their row that we have sent an email to them for the 30 days reminder. Similarly, what we are going to do here is if we don't get the substitute product, maybe the product still has the same original ID. What we are going to do is we are going to send them the email directly without searching for the substitute products and its detail. And similarly, we are doing the same thing for 14 days and for 3 days. So as you can see, this is made so easy and there's no hassle. With our automation solution, you can bid farewell to the complexities of manual follow-ups and focus on truly what matters: delivering exceptional products and services to your customers. And that's not all. We are understanding that every business is unique, and so are its technological requirements. That's why, in addition to the solution outlined, we offer flexible integrations in various technologies to suit your specific needs. Whether it's leveraging platforms like Zapier, integrating with CRM systems, or exploring cutting edge technologies, we are here to tailor the solution of your preferences. So let's embark on the journey together where automation transforms the way you manage softwares, renewals, and empower your business to thrive in today's digital age. Determine the most suitable approach for your business and contact us. And if you want to contact us, the link to the form is in the description below. Thank you.